Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Earth sign Taurus. This is mid-month July reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see Taurus, your recent past. Your recent past. Knight of Wands, Knight of Pentacles, Three of Cups. I think in this connection, one person is coming towards the other person. One is very slow and one is very fast, because Knight of Pentacles is slow and Knight of Wands is rushing towards you. And definitely there is some celebration, reunion in past. For some there is reunion, for some it could be third party situation also. So let's see what is going on in your connection right now. So let's see what is going on in your connection right now. Taurus, Ace of Wands, Two of Swords. Definitely one person want new beginning with the other person, but the other person is at some crossroads. They are not making any decision. They are seeing the things spiritually. They are thinking rather than taking action right now, but there is a chance for new beginning definitely, because Ace of Wands, your person could be Aries, Leo, Sag, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. It could be any sign, because all signs are here. So let's see your person near future actions towards you, Taurus. Control, King of Swords, some controlling issues. I think your person is very straightforward. The Creator, and Projections. Think you both fantasizing about each other, projections. And the Creator, I think your person want to create something with you and they want to create life with you. Control issues, definitely communication is coming in your way. They want to give clarity to this connection. Clarity, communication is coming in your way. So in past, your person is not sure what to do, what not to do. So here the Creator means King of Wands. Lot of passion is there between both of you. So let's see, let's pull some cards from universe for final message. Consciousness, Ace of Swords. Yes, new beginning, two aces is here. Outsider, for some there is third party and separation also. Five of Pentacles in past. Healing, King of Cups. Yes, your person want for his love to you. They have emotions for you. Lost card, Sorrow. As without they feeling very sorrow. They are not sleeping. I think you could be also not sleeping without them. I think definitely one person is feeling very lonely and sorrow. I think it could be your person. That's why they want a new beginning with you. They want to heal this connection. So Taurus, this is the reading for you. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys. Bye.